The Jerusalem District Court ruled last week that the Palestinian Authority must pay the families of 2 Jewish terror victims $116 million as compensation for the murder of their loved ones. INN TV reports.
I think the government has to chase the murderers and not let them rest until they're brought to justice and receive their punishment.
Efrat and Yaron Unger were murdered 12 years ago in a drive-by shooting. The families filed a civil suit in the year 2000 in an American federal court against the Palestinian Authority. The court ruled that the PLO must compensate the families, and this should be done by Israel confiscating and transferring money that was to be given to the PA.
According to the American legal system, someone who is harmed may sue whoever harmed him anywhere, anytime. They are assets of the terror organizations in the U.S., and the U.S. can seize the money from the Arab banks and transfer it to terror victims. There are lawyers in the U.S. that filed a petition in the name of the terror victims covering 10 years retroactively against the PA.
Last week, Jerusalem Judge Aaron Farkash ruled that the State of Israel must implement the American ruling.
The victims don't sue the PA, first and foremost, because they don't know they can. Secondly, when they sue, Israeli courts don't rush to rule against the PA, claiming that it's not a state entity, rather an organization. In 1996, there was a case in the attack when I was injured that a French citizen was wounded. He sued the PA and its leader Yasser Arafat, and the court seized 5 million shekels from the PA's money. But eventually, the seizure was reversed, and he did not receive the money.
And so the ruling regarding the Unger family is groundbreaking, as in general, the authorities do not tend to confront the Palestinian Authority.
It's connected to the foreign and defense policies of the government. They're afraid that the PA Arabs will sue the State of Israel in return, and so the state doesn't want to open that possibility. In addition, the state is leaving issues like compensation open for negotiation in future peace talks.